How to trim video in Instagram story. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can trim video in Instagram story. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So first of all, you will need to head over to your Instagram. After you're on your Instagram, simply swipe to go to your story section. Now just select a video for your story. And after you're there, you will notice that there is no option to edit or trim a video. Now what you can do is simply tap on the cross on the top left and simply head to this section right here. After you're here, simply you will see on the bottom an option that says post story reel live. Head over to post. Now after you're there, select the video. After you select the video, tap on next. After you tap on next, you will see swipe up to edit, or on the bottom left, you will see edit video. Tap on it and now you can edit your video. Now to trim the video, simply select the video. After you tap on the video, you can trim your video like this or like this. And yeah, make sure that you select the suitable length. After you do that, simply swipe down. After you swipe down, you will notice that your video has been edited, that is trimmed. And after you swipe here, you will see the download option. Tap on the download option and then your video has been saved. Now you can head back. You can start over, head back, go to the story option and select the trimmed video that you just downloaded to add it to your story. And that is how you trim a video for your Instagram story, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.